Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Chime debit card. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just ordered your Chime debit card. How do you actually go ahead and activate it? So first things first, let's go ahead and log onto the Chime app. Then you should see a banner on the bottom hand side that says activate your card. Click on that and then simply follow these instructions. So the first instruction that we need to follow is activate our card. So click on activate card, then enter the 3-digit CVV, then click on next. And then you're going to need to create a PIN. So go ahead and enter a PIN code. Now, once you've entered your PIN, your card should now be ready to be used. So click on got it, and there you have it. You've now gone ahead and activated your Chime debit card. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.